Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today, I am the old guy, and I am at Randy Cycle in Marengo, Illinois. Today, with the 2024 Royal Enfield Shotgun 650. You know what? Just getting a chance to look at it, they brought it over here because we wanted to start setting up over on this side to get away from customers coming in. It's got a little bit of subtle differences between the Super Meteor 650, which I actually really did enjoy riding. Tank is a little bit different. You do have mid controls versus forwards. Honestly, I think the MSRP is $6,899, brand new, for this bike. This is kind of a, to me, it's a commute bike in my mind, just looking. The question is, would I want to ride it on a commute? I'm not so sure. We'll find out here in a minute when we take it for a ride. Let's take a look at the specs and see what we got. Oh. Whether I like the bike or not, whether I buy the bike or not, is irrelevant. I can still appreciate what it is and appreciate the joy of being on two wheels. You know, for this channel, I don't know, I think this is like the 190th bike that I've filmed. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's take out the Shotgun 650. Let's get an audio check. What we have here is the Royal Enfield dashboard. So you have this little mini LCD in the middle showing gear indicator, miles, fuel indicator, and the speedometer on the top. A little side piece here is for the Royal Enfield app to be able to show turn-by-turn navigation, things like that. That's kind of cool. I mean, the rider position on this is really nice. Quite comfortable. I mean, we went over the specs. I mean, it's 648cc parallel twin and claiming 47 brake horsepower, which isn't bad. It really isn't. It's very usable, very manageable on the street. Handlebars are really wide. You do have a relatively upright riding position with the mids. It's nothing crazy. It's a really nice looking bike. It's very comfortable. I will say this, I'm not a big fan of the width of these handlebars. They're very wide. Man. Just a hair. I don't know. You got your inverted non-adjustable front suspension, like we went over the specs. Holding in slow speed, very easy. Seat is seat's wide, decently comfortable. A little vibrational though. You know, just going, you know, right now, it's a little bit vibrational. Power delivery is fine. I mean, I didn't have a problem with this engine in the Meteor. I thought this engine was really, really competent. I mean, ultimately it's a style thing, right? The Meteor had a really good engine, and this is the same engine. Same horsepower, same torque. It feels very comfortable. The suspension's very nice. I mean, this inverted Showa is doing a phenomenal job. You know, taking care of any bumps that I'm hitting. It's a very comfortable ride. You know, you get to take a bike out for a few minutes and try it out and just kind of see what the, you know, is it something you enjoy or not? And, I mean, I don't know if I enjoy it after I hit some of these curves even more, but in the little bit of time, it's a competent motorcycle. It's very, I don't know, to me it's good looking. I like it. I like the looks. It's got plenty of braking power, steel braided brake lines. As I mentioned in the beginning, I mean, adjustable brake and clutch lever too, which is phenomenal. I mean, there's nothing really about this bike that I can complain about. The vibrations are there, I can feel them, but they're not overwhelming. And that's something that really does bug me on bikes, where the vibrations are just so overwhelming. We're cruising down the road 65 right now. Very, very comfortable, very relaxed. See if I can scrape my 360 camera. Oh, whoa, whoa. That's something. I don't know why you have your dogs in the middle of the road, but especially on a curve. Jesus Christ. Take care of them dogs. There's no way in hell I'd have my dogs in the middle of the road on freaking a curve like that. But another reason why you gotta pay attention when you're riding. Three, two, one. Dump it. Third gear. So third gear will get you to 60. Not bad. Not bad. See, it's never lost on me how fun this is. I have ridden so many motorcycles in my life, And I've never lost that love of just being on two wheels. No matter the bike. They all have given me something. Whether I like the bike or not, whether I buy the bike or not, is irrelevant. I can still appreciate what it is and appreciate the joy of being on two wheels. You know, for this channel, I don't know, I think this is like the 190th bike that I've filmed. But I've never lost that love, and I don't think I ever will, because I've ridden over 700 different motorcycles in my life at this point. And God, this is such a passion, such a love, such a joy. And if you subscribe and come along and leave a comment, I want to know what you think about these bikes. I want to know what you think about this bike. Got a chance to take it out for a little bit here and just kind of feel it. It's not a bad motorcycle. And Royal Enfield has done such a great job of getting a little bit more modern, because holy God, I'll be honest, I got a chance to ride a 2019 Classic 500 the other day, and good Lord, that bike was terrible. Just absolutely terrible. I was actually afraid at points, because it just was an awful bike to ride. Let's start right here. Not bad. It's a fun bike. It really is. Even with all my freaking cameras on it. Tried to make a more immersive experience for everybody. I enjoyed it. I really did. And I hope you enjoyed the ride. And I hope you'll come along with me on more of them. Ladies and gentlemen, 2024 Royal Enfield Shotgun 650. I couldn't tell anybody not to buy it. I mean, it's a good little bike. Nothing wrong with it. Works well. All right, everybody. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay safe, and as always, enjoy the ride. Turn your back on